Hello and welcome to this lesson titled At the Clothing Shop by Die Klere Winkel. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to ask for assistance and make basic requests in a clothing shop. To recap this lesson, you can revise the clothing lesson as well as the color lesson. Words you can memorize for this lesson are as follows: winkel, winkel, shop, geld, geld, money, koop, koop, buy. Let's have a look at in die winkel, in the shop. Kan ek u help? Kan ek u help? Can I help you? Nee, dankie, ek kyk net. Nee, dankie, ek kyk net. No thanks, I am just looking. Het julle hierdie rok in geel? Het julle hierdie rok in geel? Do you have this dress in yellow? Ek kry nie hierdie item nie. Ek kry nie hierdie item nie. I can't find this item. Het julle hierdie in 'n ander grootte? Het julle hierdie in 'n ander grootte? Do you have this in a different size? Mag ek dit aanpas? Mag ek dit aanpas? May I try this on? Waar is die kleedkamer? Waar is die kleedkamer? Where is the fitting room? Ek wil dit graag koop. Ek wil dit graag koop. I would like to buy it. Hoeveel kos hierdie? Hoeveel kos hierdie? How much does this cost? Dis te duur. Dis te duur. It's too expensive. Wat is jou terugkeerbeleid? Terugkeerbeleid. Terugkeerbeleid. Wat is jou terugkeerbeleid? What is your return policy? Is daar afslag op hierdie? Is daar afslag op hierdie? Is there a discount on this? Kan ek kontant betaal? Kan ek kontant betaal? Can I pay cash? Kan ek met 'n kaart betaal? Kan ek met 'n kaart betaal? Can I pay with a card? Kan ek 'n kwitansie kry asseblief? Kan ek 'n kwitansie kry asseblief? Can I get a receipt, please? Wil u 'n sakkie hê? Wil u 'n sakkie hê? Do you want a bag? Ja, asseblief. Ja, asseblief. Yes, please. Dankie vir u hulp. Dankie vir u hulp. Thank you for your help. Okay, let's have a look at our activity. Activiteit. Voltooi die sinne. Complete the sentences. So this is where you're gonna use your knowledge from the clothing lesson as well as the color lesson to complete these sentences. A tip, numbers 1 to 4 are a clothing item and numbers 5 and 6 are a color. Ek wil graag hierdie koop. Ek wil graag hierdie koop. Ek hou van hierdie. Ek hou van hierdie. Ek wil graag daardie koop. Ek wil graag daardie koop. Ek hou van daardie. Ek hou van daardie. Hierdie is 'n mooi rok. Hierdie is 'n mooi rok. Daardie is 'n mooi broek. Daardie is 'n mooi broek. Antwoorde, answers. So, I'm only giving you some example answers. You could have easily replaced it with a different clothing item or a different color. For example, saying rok instead of broek or pink instead of red. You can leave some of your answers in the comment section and I can check if you're correct. Ek wil graag hierdie broek koop. Ek hou van hierdie hemp. Ek wil graag daardie kouse koop. Ek hou van daardie serp. Hierdie is 'n mooi rooi rok. Daardie is 'n mooi bruin broek. Let's have a look at the English translations. I would like to buy this pants. Broek. Ek wil graag hierdie broek koop. I like this shirt. Hemp. Ek hou van hierdie hemp. I would like to buy those socks. Kouse. Ek wil graag daardie kouse koop. Socks in Afrikaans can also be called sokkies. Kouse or sokkies. I like that scarf. Serp. Ek hou van daardie serp. This is a beautiful red dress. Red, rooi. Hierdie is 'n mooi rooi rok. That is a beautiful brown pants. Brown, bruin. Daardie is 'n mooi bruin broek. Let's have a look at some scenarios you might encounter in a shop. You need help. What do you say? In Afrikaans, of course. You can say, Ek het hulp nodig asseblief. Ek het hulp nodig asseblief. I need help, please. Scenario 2. You want a different size. What do you say? Het julle hierdie in 'n ander grootte? Het julle hierdie in 'n ander grootte? Do you have this in a different size? Scenario number 3. You want to pay with a card. What do you say? Can you remember? Kan ek met 'n kaart betaal? Kan ek met 'n kaart betaal? Can I pay with a card? Scenario number 4. You can't afford it. What do you say? Jammer, dit is te duur. Jammer, dit is te duur. Sorry, it is too expensive. Scenario 5. You want to say thank you for the help. What do you say? Can you remember? Dankie vir u hulp. Dankie vir u hulp. Thank you for your help. And that brings us to the end of this lesson. I really hope you enjoyed this themed lesson. And I hope to see you in the next lesson. Dankie dat julle gekyk het. Ek hoop julle het hierdie tema les geniet en ek hoop om julle te sien in die volgende les.